and then the
Someone who died? Who died? Who died?
Who died?
We don't know.
Somebody
Oh
died.
my god, oh my god.
We don't know.
I didn't even see him, bro. I didn't even see
I'm
him.
not over
Guys,
you.
I just got
Guys, please,
You
Jonathan.
will sleep in bed. And
No, you shouldn't.
what's that noise? What is that whistling noise?
Guys, let's go summon overseer. Who wants to go summon like
What is that whistling noise? I'm scared.
This
Let's
dude.
go to the secret map.
What is that whistling noise?
Hey guys. You know how to get to the
Why is
secret
everything dark?
map.
It's right there. No.
Guys,
It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Well, wait, the stalker. The stalker.
It was right there. It was right there. It was right there. It was right there.
Oh, shut up! You're
capping.
Guys, overseer.
Wait,
No,
why did it
Angel,
whistling
Angel,
stop? I
Angel.
saw it and then it just stopped.
We're going to prove.
Angel.
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
on
no,
my.
I know, I'm going flying. I'm
I
going flying.
don't really want to do
We're
it.
summoning Angel again, bro? Oh, hell no, bro. We were summoning Angel.
No, actually, wait, guys. Bubblegum.
Bro, hell no, bro. We're gonna summon
No,
Satan, bro.
Bubblegum.
Come on, let's summon Satan. Come
Go.
on.
God?
Guys.
No, that's
Maybe.
God. God, a different guy. We're summoning Satan, bro. Come on. Come on, Chad. Let's go summon Satan. Whatever it is.
No.
Or we already summoned Angel.
No.
Wait, did you turn off his headset? Wait, come back alive. Come back.
I want to get on my. I'm fine.
Right.
I
I know the tracking. Guys, I know the tracking. Everyone get on my head if you want to be first.
Once I get on my back, I'm fast.
That was so crazy.
That was... Bro, I
Get on my head.
love how I just watching it spawn right in front of my face.
Wait, guys, what we thinking? We thinking like,
Jesus. Oh yeah, I'm like outside the mountain.
Bro, now let's do
Yeah,
let's do
go.
Overseer. Let's do Overseer. No, wait, let's do Glitch. Let's do Error. Let's do Error.
I'm getting in the
It's
water.
fine.
No, bro.
Bro, Error, like he spawns extremely fast. You just need to.
Guys, let's summon God. You know that.
Bro, now God, nah, it's not something God, cause he blinds me, bro.
Guys,
I'm
God.
like on top of it.
Let's do Error. Let's do
Stuck on
Error.
my
Come on,
head.
Error.
There was a guy stuck on my head.
I don't like air.
There was this green guy stuck on my head.
Okay, maybe after Error we can summon God.
Yeah,
let's
we're
just
gonna do error first.
Why do we have to go in there?
It's gotta be most. I follow this monster.
Let me use the tracking glitch.
I only go in here when I run on someone's head. Yeah. Yeah, Blue, I'm gonna run on someone's head.
Something right there.
I hate going in mines. I hate going in mines.
Oh!
What's the code? We're going to summon the boiled one.
What map are you guys in? What
We're
map
in
are you
cave.
guys?
We're in cave.
Most of us are in stump. Okay, stop. Don't summon error. Don't
Come
summon
on,
error.
bro. We need like the whole lobby in here. Come on.
Don't summon error. Hey guys, where are you?
Bro, go to caves. Oh my God, them people don't listen to me. Don't go in there yet.
Oh no, I see
Oh, come on, okay, come up here. Everybody, come up here. Bro, I don't know. He went somewhere over there. He's right there. Oh shit.
Ew, why does he run?
Okay, y'all ready? Let's go down. Come on.
Pink, something.
P.
He should be over here. Okay, he's right here.
It's P.
Okay, don't spawn it yet. Everybody, get away from me. Someone screamed.
Okay, I'm chill now.
Guys, let's go summon the boiled ones. Let's go summon the boiled ones.
Yo, let's summon the boiled.
Let's redo error.
Nah, bro, let's do
Bro, nah.
Wait,
Yeah, let's do bubblegum.
Bubblegum.
No, let's do overseer.
Let's do
Let's do
bubblegum.
overseer.
We already did over here.
Bubblegum.
I know. There's phases to overseer, bro.
Where's everyone on my...
Wait. I guess I could try overseer, but I don't know where to.
Let's do Galaxy.
I have no clue where to go. Oh wait, yeah, let's do Galaxy, guys. Yeah, he's gorilla. Are we gonna summon bubblegum? That'd be like. We'll give you 3 options. Overseer, Galaxy, or Mr. Sandman. Get on your head, Pink. Get on my head. Bubblegum. Gotta be green. No! Guys, green bean. Bubblegum sucks. Meryl. Yeah, like that, man. Guys, green bean.
Oh, chicken.
Bullet.
Oh, chicken.
Bullet. Cows. Heaven says. We are Charlie Kirk on TV.
Are we summoning bubblegum or not?
We're summoning
Let's do
bubblegum.
I don't know what
Bubblegum. Did your headset die?
Yeah, where are you guys?
Wait, can I get on your head?
Bubblegum. We're doing bubblegum.
Where are you guys?
Yeah, sure.
Y'all
You need to go to the water.
Can I get on your feet? Are you guys summoning as God?
You guys don't actually hit
Yeah,
Can I get on your
bubblegum.
head?
Alright, I'm coming. I don't know what these iPad kids are doing.
Alright, I'm coming to spawn bubblegum.
Why is 50%?
That's my branch.
That's my branch right there. That's my branch. Blue, don't you dare. 50%
Hang on
up
to the bottom of the spawn instantly.
Wow,
I'm not
it's
used to
low
it.
gravity. He spawns like up there and like.
Dude,
please. Guys, welcome change.
1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 people.
I don't know why they say.
Everybody come to bubblegum and get on the branch. Get on the branch.
idol.
Green. Get on the branch. Nope, go on that one.
This is how to go fast. Do the
On that
tracking list if you want to run
Dude,
fast.
go on that branch. No, I didn't, brother. Go there.
No, he didn't.
I've
Shut
had
up.
this
Go
shit
to your
long.
place. Go to your place. Yeah, go to your fucking place. Just get on that bridge right there. There's no one on it.
Bro, guys, you don't even, bro, you guys can hang on to the bottom.
Get him over your head.
You ain't get off his head and get
Summon bubblegum. Summon bubblegum.
Get off his head.
You ain't get on a different man.
Get off my head, bro. Get off my head. Bro, why did they change your
scared.
this much? It used to be
Let
like-
get off.
I'm
Hey,
scared.
Purple, bring him to the
Like-
back rooms.
like
Purple,
Scared of
baby.
what? Bubblegum isn't even scary.
Boom, now he's the best guy.
Purple, bring him to the back rooms.
I'm gonna jump into bubblegum if you don't get off. You used to take
Okay.
Purple, no. Purple, just bring him to the back
Just
rooms.
take
He'll
off
get
the
off
hat.
immediately.
Bring him to the back rooms.
Yeah.
Oh, don't
Yeah,
worry
get
about
off
it.
in the back rooms.
But just take off the
I'm
hat.
bringing you to a special place.
Guys, let's go summon angels. How about
Where are
that?
we going?
You just summon
Oh,
it.
we're going to a very nice
Let's
place.
do green bean.
Here.
Green bean.
It's not scary at all. Oh, you wanna fly? Guys, I'm gonna go. I know you're lying, so I'm gonna just grab onto your head.
Where are you guys at?
I'm not lying.
Where are y'all at?
I'm military, I'm kind of. Okay.
I kept it in the house.
I I swear. Guys, I'm so scared. No, I'm not. You're my first. Well, I have more limited stuff, buddy. Most of them are my thing. I have a jet. I have like a jet with jet. Half my limited stuff are my own. My cappuccinos.
Purple, come over here. We're going to
We
the
couldn't get the
Upstairs.
And then go
Look,
back
we're
here.
going to
Monkeys are not scary.
That little kid wouldn't get off.
Are they coming?
I know. Goodbye.
Alright, kid. Well,
I'm not blue, I'm purple.
get off my head, bro. No. Get off my
What's
head.
this? What's
I'm
this?
actually gonna know how to get this secret map.
Get off me.
Hey,
You're basically
Obanga?
I'm about to report you, no?
Obanga.
Hello!
Where they going? Where they going?
Where are we going?
Where they going? Where you going?
Let's
Going
send
to
a guard.
Obanga.
Where you going?
Alright, you've been reported, bro.
Okay, I wonder what that is, but okay.
What? What do you want?
Right up on my head.
I'd be at the top. Oh wait,
What do you
no, I
want?
just got text back. I got a text back. They said if you don't get off, you're gonna get banned. Wait. Hello. Say
What do you
say
want?
swear to God.
Oh shit.
I swear.
I know.